So in the last year, the market's been flooded with new aluminum-cased lithium iron phosphate cells that are labeled as having 310 or 320 amp hours. And unfortunately, all the cells that I've tested, specifically off AliExpress, have been complete garbage. And every cell that I've tested has been swollen, does not pull full capacity, so that means they are not batched and matched by internal resistance and the capacity. And they are all used, which people do not like. Even though they're very cheap, you cannot predict the cycle life degradation going forward. You might pull a pretty good capacity for the price right now, but you don't know what it will pull in 5 or 10 years. And because these cells are considered used, we call them grade B cells. And a lot of people want a grade A source for cells if they want to make a brand new high quality lithium iron phosphate pack on their own. And we finally have them. So these are 304 amp hour cells, and this is the actual true capacity. A lot of distributors from China are labeling these as 310 or 320 amp hours. And they do this because these cells will pull that much for the first few cycles, but they're actually, going by the data sheet, these are 304 amp hour cells. And we finally have a United States distributor. A big problem with grade B cells also is you have to wait like 5 months to get them. It only took about 3 months for me to get mine, but that's a long time to be waiting. This is a United States distributor, so if it shows that they are in stock, they'll be able to ship that out in a couple days, and you should get it in like a week or two. And these are brand new cells. Look at, there is no bulging. They are completely flat. How cool is that? And I did my own capacity test. So these 4 cells, I did not balance them, I did not do anything. I hooked up an overkill solar BMS, and then I tested the capacity. And we pulled 317 amp hours and 4,111 watt hours, which is very good, and that's what you should pull with a brand new cell. But these are still rated at 304 amp hours because that's what these cells are. Now these cells are 24 cents per watt hour. The grade B cells are around 17 to 19 cents per watt hour. And then if you buy a brand new ready built battery, that's gonna be 29 cents per watt hour. So a lot of people are saying that they don't even want to buy these anymore. They just want to buy a server rack battery because the quality is really high and there's a fantastic warranty. But some people still want to build their own batteries, including me, because it's nice for me to reconfigure my pack or to work on it whenever I need to. Now let's compare this to a ready built pack that's not a server rack battery. These blew away the competition. Think about how much this costs compared to like a Battleborn, a Simplify, a Relion, or something like that. And it takes minutes to throw a BMS on this and add a little case. So if you like DIY projects, these are fantastic. And they also come with the bus bars and the terminal nuts. But it's not for everyone. I think a lot of beginners should stick with the server rack batteries. But if you're experienced and you understand this chemistry, maybe a grade B cell pack might be the best bang for your buck. It's almost half the cost of a server rack battery. So if you're trying to build like a 100 kilowatt hour battery, maybe grade B cells are perfect for your application. So as always, it comes to how much you want to spend. It's nice that we actually have a source of grade A cells because there's lots of people online that say they do, and they are not. They are absolutely grade B cells, and they've been cycled a bajillion times, and you have no idea where they came from. I think the worst thing with grade B cells is having one bad cell that has lower capacity than the rest of the pack, because you're gonna have to swap that out unless the rest of your pack will suffer. So typically with a grade B cell pack, you should buy 1 or 2 extra cells just to make up for those bad cells that you're going to encounter. With these, you don't have to do that. You just buy the cells, you slap a BMS on it, and you're done. But you have to build a case. So yeah, more pros and cons as always. And you get what you pay for. These are brand new cells that are matched. So I'll have a link below, but I'm pretty sure these are almost sold out, unfortunately, but they're gonna have a lot more in stock very soon. So keep checking back through this website through the link, and then you'll see if they actually have more inventory or not. And these were provided for free, but I'm sending them back because they need them. They're a pretty small business, but they're very professional. I like their website, and yeah, they do a very good job. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.